I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 12, and from verse 14. Verse 14. The word of God says, "For God will bring every work into judgment, including every secret thing, whether good or bad." If you go to the book of Matthew, chapter 12, and verse 36, Jesus speaking here. "But I say to you that for every idle word men may speak, they will give account of it in the day of judgment." My brother, my sister, an idle word is someone who speaks negative, death, useless words that means absolutely nothing, words that are out to destroy people's lives, to bring destruction in people's lives. Those people, my brother, my sister, are speaking idle words. God says that they will give an account of it in the day of judgment. So my brother, my sister, if you are speaking idle words over people's lives and words that are far from the truth, let me tell you, Jesus says, not what I'm saying, Jesus says that you will give an account of it on the day of judgment. And in verse 37, Jesus says, "For by your words you will be justified, and by your words you will be condemned." My brother, my sister, we need to watch out the words that we are speaking over people's lives. Useless words that means absolutely nothing. Words that bring harmful to people's lives. Harmful and destructive words, my brother and my sister. You and I, we will give an account of it on the day of judgment. God says, for God will bring every work that we are doing here on earth, every work, into judgment, including every secret thing. So if you think that you are going to hide things from God, that God doesn't see the bad things you're doing, my brother, my sister, God says, including every secret thing, whether good or bad, He's going to bring it into judgment, my brother and my sister. If we go to the book of Romans, Romans chapter 2 and verse 16, in that day, the day of judgment, when God will judge the secrets of men by Jesus Christ according to my gospel. My brother, my sister, God is going to judge every secret thing of men, my brother, my sister, on the day of judgment. So you and I, we can hide nothing from God. You and I can hide absolutely nothing from God.